Hi, today we are going to see how to install awesome software. So just type some, press enter. You can see a download link, click on that and you can see this is for Windows. You can click on the download button. So it's downloaded the software. Just click on it. Say click on the run button. Click on the install now. Within few seconds it will install the software and you can use it. Now click on enter now, and this is the graphical user interface which this software is allowed to use. So this is my this device ID. If I want to access this device with my mobile or any other devices or other PC, I have to enter this ID as well as this password. Okay, you can copy the passwords and IDs. Okay, so this is the passcode and this is the device ID. Suppose I want to access any other device, so I will enter here the device ID, then I will enter the passcode of that device ID, for example this one, and I will say connect. So with that you can directly connect with that device and you can do the operations on that device. You can control that device, you can access that device, you can do the chat as well, you can also do a voice call with this. Okay, so another benefits, let's see. Just click on the here. So it is a free download. So this is the remote desktop application. So you can access remotely any device like your laptop or mobile. So you can also access your mobile with this application. This supports with Android device. So you can also download this software on Android mobile. You can also play remote games as well. You can also use screen mirroring, share your phone screen to desktop without any limitations. So it is very easy. So all these benefits you will get with this software. So use it and you can work remotely from anywhere with this software. You can access parents' mobile and you can solve their problems. You can play remote games. Mobile mirroring is also possible. So I hope you will use this software. All the best. Thank you.